This song has a really good beat, so if you feel like dancing at home, you go right ahead. We're gonna bring out the horse first. Here's Mr. Horse, and what does Mr. Horse say, everybody? Neigh! Neigh! Horse in the barnyard, what does he say? 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 The horse says neigh, neigh, neigh all day. Wait, what did you say? Let's do it one more time. You ready? Neigh! Oh, thank you, Mr. Horse. Who else is back here? Oh, Mr. Pig. Here he is. What does the pig say? Oink! Oink! Pig in the barnyard. Pig in the barnyard, what does he say? Pig in the barnyard, what does he say? Pig in the barnyard, what does he say? The pig says oink, oink, oink all day. What's he say? Oink, oink, oink. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Okay. Here comes the cow. She definitely wants to sing with us, and the cow says, moo. Cow in the barnyard, what does she say? Cow in the barnyard, what does she say? Cow in the barnyard, what does she say? The cow says moo, moo, moo all day. Moo.